Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: power, storage, and placement. Insert a Class 10 micro SD card and format it in the camera menu. This prevents file errors later. Plug the hardwire or cigarette adapter and run the cable along the headliner to keep it tidy. Once done, attach the mount to the windshield behind the rearview mirror so the lens has an unobstructed view. This position minimizes glare and captures license plates clearly while complying with visibility rules. Now configure how the camera captures and protects video. Select 1080p or 1440p according to your micro SD capacity. Higher resolution gives more detail but uses more space. Turn on loop recording so old files overwrite automatically, and enable the G-sensor to lock videos on impact. This ensures incidents are preserved. Next, set correct date and time for accurate logs. Adjust exposure to avoid washed-out footage, and pair the camera with. Finish by testing the setup with a brief drive and reviewing footage on your phone or computer to confirm angle, audio, GPS, and timestamps are correct. Make small adjustments to the mount or exposure as needed. Regularly reformat the card every 1 to 3 months and back up important clips to avoid corruption. If recording fails, check that the camera receives constant power, reformat the card, install any firmware updates, and perform a factory reset. These steps resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.